Hello, boys and girls. This is our last lesson of today, Thursday, Jueves. And for this lesson, you are going to need your Holidays magazine. Aquí la tienen. You're going to need it, your Holidays magazine. If you don't have it with you, go ahead and look for it. And you're also going to need your April calendar. It's a page towards the back of your packet. I'm going to put it away for now. And well, we are going to be looking at a year calendar, boys and girls. Calendar of a year. And these are the months of the year. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. How many months are in a year? Well, let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are 12 months in a year. Now, how many days or how many weeks are in a month? Almost every month has 4 weeks, and you can see it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. January, it's a long month. And February is a very special month because it's the shortest month of the year. It only has 28 or 29 years. We said we call it a leap year when February brings 29 days. It only happens, I believe, every 2 years or every other year. I'm not very sure. Boys and girls, every month we have something special. We celebrate a special holiday. But before we go into the holidays or before we move on into your other calendar, I want you to notice, boys and girls, there's some months that have 31 days. That is January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. So some month of the year they have 31 days. You see? 31 days. While some other month of the year they only have 30 days. Like March, April, which one other? June, no, July and August have 31 days. September only has 30. And November. So probably half of them have 31 days. And the other half only has 30 days, except for February. February is the shortest month of the year, and it only has 28 days, right? So, every month, boys and girls have about 4 weeks. These are the weeks. So when you see the numbers in a straight line, those are the weeks. This is a week. This is a week. You see? That's a week. That's a week. Now, how do we know, boys and girls, when let's say you want to find out, well, let's say that we had a field trip. Do you remember that field trip that we had planned? Our field trip was planned for March 18. Do you remember my March 18? Now, this is not a calendar for 2020. This is an older calendar. Well, boys and girls, if we want to know what day it's going to be, what day of the week is March 18, you look at your calendar, March 18. Again, this is not the calendar for 2020. This is for another year. And you look, what day of the week is above 18? Sunday. So March 18 falls on a Sunday. Alright, so let's read a little bit more about the calendar. It says a calendar shows days, weeks, and month. Today means this day. Yesterday is the day before today. And tomorrow is the day after today. Can you find today on the calendar? And now is when we, boys and girls, are leaving behind our magazine. You can close it, put it away. And now we are going to focus on our April page. I'm sorry, I'm moving things around a little bit. And here we go. So this is the worksheet that we are going to work right now. And I chose April because that's the month that we are at right now. We are in the month of April. And as you can see, you have all these boxes, all these little boxes. Some of them are bigger than others. It's all right. And we are going to write the days, the number of the days. So as you may remember, April only has 30 days, right? April has only 30 days. So April, boys and girls, this month, April began on a Wednesday. So we're going to say that the first day fell on a Wednesday. 1. We'll continue counting. 2, 3. So April 3rd or April 3 was a Friday. April 4 was a Saturday. April 5 was a Sunday. April 6 was a Monday. April 7 was a Tuesday. April 8 was a Wednesday. April 9 was a Thursday. April 10 was a Friday. April Saturday was the 11th of April. I'm sorry, April Saturday. April 11 was on a Saturday. April 12 was again on a Sunday. April 13 fell on Monday. April 14 was a Tuesday. April 15 was on a Wednesday. April 16 was on a Thursday. April 17 was on a Friday, right? And April 18 was on a Saturday. Continue counting. We're going to go to the last day of April. April 19 was on a Sunday. April 20 was the last time that I passed out the packets. You remember? It was a Monday. April 21, boys and girls, was a Tuesday. April 22 was a Wednesday. April 23rd or 23 was a Thursday. April 24 was a Friday. And April 25th or 25 was a Saturday. All right, we still have one more week of April. That's the week that we are right now. So after April 25th goes April 26th. That was a Sunday. April 27th was a Monday. April 28th was a Tuesday. April 29th was a Wednesday. That was yesterday. And April 30 is today. Today is the last day of April. We don't have to worry about these two boxes. All right, so we made it all the way from the first day of April to the last day of April, which is today. Today is the very last day of April. Now, boys and girls, I want to ask you, boys and girls, we're going to use some colors. These are the colors that we are going to use. I want you to look for these colors, all right? So I want you to find green. You can use, actually the pink one, I don't, it's up to you, because we're going to do something else with the pink one. But I want you to use yellow and blue. So these are the 4 colors that I'm going to use. If you want to look for them, you want to pause the video and look for them now, you can do so now. All right. So first of all, boys and girls, we are going to use our green crayon. We are going to use our green crayon to color today's date. Today's date, boys and girls, today's box is the 30. We are here today. What day of the week is today? Today is Thursday, Jueves. So we're going to color Thursday in green. Go ahead. We're going to color this box on green. Oh, what happened there? Suddenly I was coloring with brown. All right, so today I'm going to color green. So we're color coding everything. We're not going to color the entire calendar. So today, that's today. All right, so now I want you to find, boys and girls, what day was yesterday? Yesterday. Yesterday is the number that comes before, the spot that comes before today. What number goes before 30? 29. So yesterday was the 29, April 29. What day of the week was yesterday? Wednesday, miércoles. So this spot, this place is the day that came before today. And the word for that is yesterday, ayer. And we are going to color yesterday yellow, because yellow and yesterday begins with the same letter, Y. So yesterday, it's going to be yellow. You see? All right, boys and girls. Now, I have a question for you. What day is going to be tomorrow? If today is the last day of April, tomorrow, boys and girls, it's going to be 1. Do not forget that some month, like April, only has 30 days. Tomorrow, it's going to be May 1st or May 1. It's going to be the first day of May, el primer día del mes de mayo. So how about if we call it tomorrow blue? We're going to call it tomorrow. The day after today, it's called tomorrow. It's the future. It's not here yet. It's going to be tomorrow. Mañana. Mañana es el día después de hoy. The day after today is tomorrow. Alright, so we have yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Alright, boys and girls, we are going to do one more thing. Boys and girls, do you remember what special holiday we had this year? We had this month. We had Easter. Do you remember what day was Easter? Easter was a Sunday. Which days were Sundays? Sunday, we have Sunday right here. Which day was Sunday? Sunday was the 5, the 12, the 19, and the 26. All of these days were Sundays. Now, we know that Easter was April 12th. So it was this Sunday right here. And I'm going to use my pink crayon because I want to draw an egg. I'm going to draw a pink egg. A pink egg on Easter. Because that was a special holiday that we had this month. We also had Earth Day. Do you remember Earth Day? Earth Day was a Wednesday. So if it was a Wednesday, boys and girls, it was a Wednesday. What days were Wednesday this month? The 1, the 8, the 15, the 22, and the 29 were all Wednesdays. Earth Day was April 22. So you can use your green crayon and you can draw a green circle. Green and blue, right? So our planet is kind of green mixed with blue. So we're gonna color it together. It's green and blue. Those are the colors of our planet. And our planet is round. So these two were special holidays that we had. Are these national holidays? No, these are not national holidays. Why? Because many people around the world celebrate Easter and also celebrate Earth Day. All right. So we're gonna do one more thing, I believe, with this calendar. Do you remember what day was Merle's birthday? Merle's birthday was on April 17. April 17. What day was Merle's birthday? Merle's birthday was a Friday, right? It was a Friday. Merle's birthday was a Friday. How about if we draw a cupcake, right? We're gonna draw a cupcake for Merle on that day. So how about if I use, it's gonna be a pink cupcake, right? And I can put a candle. Looks yummy, right? It's making me hungry. All right, boys and girls. So this is the calendar of the month of April. Once you finish color coding today, yesterday, and tomorrow, you can go ahead and look. We had the 3 holidays, boys and girls. Oh no, I made a mistake there. I knew I was gonna make a mistake. All right, so let's go ahead and erase it. It wasn't on the 15th. Earth Day was on the 22. Hi, boys and girls. I miss you so much. Because you were always helping me when I was making mistakes, right? Yeah, Earth Day wasn't on the 15th. It was on the 22. Yeah, on the same week, we had Easter and we had Merle's birthday. But Earth Day was the last week. It was the upcoming week. So after you finish coloring today, yesterday, and tomorrow, you are going to also color the egg for Easter, the Earth for Earth Day, and the cupcake for Melly's birthday. And then you have these letters that form the word of the word April, and the umbrellas. It's supposed to rain a lot in April. I know sometimes we don't get all the rain that is expected, but it's okay. Well, boys and girls, do not forget that this is our last lesson for today, but you still have to do your 10 or 15 minutes of iReady. You still have to complete your iExcel if you didn't do it yet, and you still have to do your spelling city activities. All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful night and rest, and I'll see you tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday. Yay! Bye. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's Friday. The 1st is right here. Bye, boys and girls.